Welcome. This video will guide you through the instructions for using the Canine Coronavirus and Canine Parvovirus Antigen Rapid Kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. To start the test, place the CCV and CPV antigen rapid device on a flat surface. Collect a fecal sample from the stool or rectum using the provided sample collection swab. Next, peel off the foil seal from the tube containing the sample dilution buffer. Then insert the fecal collected swab into the buffer tube and stir it well to thoroughly extract the virus. Place the tube in the rack and let it stand upright for 20 seconds to allow the particles to settle. Using the dropper, collect the supernatant of the sample solution and add 4 drops into each sample hole on the test device. Then read the result at 10 minutes after dropping. Now, let's see how to interpret the results. If you see both the control line and the test line on the CPV side, it indicates a CPV positive result. Similarly, if both lines appear on the CCV side, the sample is CCV positive. In cases where both control and test lines appear on both sides of the device, it means the sample is positive for both CPV and CCV. A negative result is shown when only the control lines appear and no test lines are visible on either side. Finally, if the control line does not appear at all, or if only the test line is visible without a control line, the test is considered invalid. In this case, you must perform a retest using a new device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us by email.